Hudson Farming Adventures, Arbon, Idaho. Photos my grandpa has of when they would spray graphite on the snow so it would melt faster. In the mid-'80s they bought a Thiokol Snow Cat. Then they installed a sprayer tank and booms on it to spray graphite on the snow. They bought storage tanks and tanks to mount on the semi for fertilizer. You have to use fertilizer to mix the graphite because water would freeze. One person would dump the bags of graphite in this mixed tank to prepare the next batch while Grandpa was spraying the load that was in the snow cat on the snow. The reason they used a snow cat to spread graphite is to make the snow melt faster so the wheat doesn't winter kill, due to what's called snow mold. It was very messy. Grandma said he would come home every night covered in graphite. This was not one of Grandpa's better days. He wasn't thinking how deep the snow might be in this swell until it was too late and the snow cat didn't stay on top of the snow. It sank. Lucky they was mostly done for the year. They had to get their tractor and a long cable to pull it out. Then they had to pull it to the shop to drain all the oils in case water got in it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.